What is up, everyone? So what do we have? Today is Wednesday. We got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 3 more days. Sunday morning, we're gonna be leaving for Daytona. 6 a.m. sharp, we're meeting everybody on the Parkway, Garden State Parkway here in New Jersey. And we're gonna be heading down to Lorton, Virginia, about a 300-mile ride. I think it's gonna be raining, oh well, but we're gonna be riding down to Lorton, Virginia to take the Amtrak auto train from Virginia to Sanford, Florida. It loads up from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Train departs 4 p.m. Sunday. We will be arriving in Florida 8 a.m. Monday morning, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. All right, guys, I got Silverback right here. You've probably seen in the last video. Got the bags all set up. Sedici bags. And you know what is crazy? I just realized, I don't think, I had a couple comments, and I think I checked myself and I don't seem to see them. I don't think they make this bag setup anymore. I think I got it, I don't know, maybe a year and a half ago. And it's a real shame because this bag setup is really, really nice. And it just works and looks really good. I don't know why they stopped making this bag setup. They make other ones like kind of soft bags. I don't really care for that soft bag look. It's more almost like, I would say, more ADV style. Definitely would not work with this. But either way, the bike is all ready to go. We're gonna be leaving Sunday. It's gonna be an amazing trip. And let me go here because of the sun. And if you guys are probably gonna be commenting and wondering, why aren't we riding down? Well, it's not a question of A, it's too cold, or B, it's too far away, or C, we just don't want to. It's basically because we want to give you guys that awesome footage of the Amtrak auto train. I've never been on it, all of the guys haven't been on it, and a lot of people, I even tell them that this is a thing, they don't even know about it. So we're still gonna be riding 300 miles to Virginia, and then basically we're gonna be on the train for, I think, about 14 hours, 16 hours, from 4 to 8, yeah, 16 hours. So it's gonna be a great trip. We load up the bikes onto the train. They're gonna be loading up cars as well. And then we're just gonna be basically chilling on the train from 4 p.m. all the way until morning. Food, beverages, sleeping, a lot of sleeping obviously, but all the guys are gonna be together and we're just gonna have a great time. And when we get there, we're definitely gonna be well rested because I have a busy schedule all week with meet and greets, and we got some parties to go to. I wanna get the nightlife, some footage of the nightlife. Maybe we'll be at the racetrack for qualifying for King of the Baggers, so stay tuned because this trip is gonna be epic. We're gonna have so much awesome footage for you guys. So if you're new to this channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. This is my 2020 Road Glide Special Silverback with a custom paint job and the 130 T-Man Performance motor that's pushing out 155 horsepower. So come on, you gotta subscribe. Helps out the channel. So anyway, another thing, I think this is gonna be the last video until we probably get back because we're leaving Sunday. I'm recording this video, it's Wednesday, so I'll probably be posting it tomorrow, Thursday. And then I gotta just spend time with the family because we're gonna be leaving for almost a week. So I gotta put that family time in, that's really important to me. So since we're not gonna be on YouTube probably for about a week and a half until I come back from this trip, you guys could follow me along on Cycle Fanatix on Instagram, so head on over there and follow me over there, as well as TikTok. I'm going to be posting a lot of photos, some short video clips so you guys could see what we're doing, where we at. And if anybody's down there, if you want to just hit me up on Instagram, message me. If you guys want to meet and say hi, absolutely, so just hit me up on Instagram. So me and Robert Simmons from Paying It Forward on YouTube, all you guys know him, great guy, good friend. I can't wait to see him again. Just seen him, we just got back from Arizona, so me and Rob are gonna actually be at the FIGURATI Designs, the company that makes these badass swing arm covers. We're gonna be doing a meet and greet there from probably about 2 to 4 Monday. So look for FIGURATI Designs Monday from 2 to 4, we'll be there. And then this is the schedule. Tuesday, I will be at Zero 3D rig, okay, from Tuesday from 9 to 1. And then Tuesday, that same day, we're going to be at Chromeworks rig from 1 to 4. And then Wednesday, I'll be at Chromeworks from 9 to 1. And then at Zero from 1 to 4. So if you guys want to write it down, just back up on this video and play it again. Jot all of that down. I'll also leave all the times and schedules in the link down below in the description. Not a link, but basically I'll write it all down in there. So this way you guys have it. And I'm going to find time to be at Saddleman and Clockworks as well. We'll see where else. But like I said, hit me up on Instagram. Head on over there and follow me on Instagram. Message me. This way you guys could see some short video clips or a lot of pictures, see what we're doing. And I'd appreciate it if you guys are in the area. Definitely come on by and say hi and check out the infamous Silverback. She's looking pretty good. Also, what I want to tell you guys is right now I got the bike on the lift because I'm going to be lubing the chain because we got the chain drive on it. And I don't know if you guys could see it right there, but she needs some lube, so I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna lubricate the chain. I have the bike, it's already cleaned and washed, it's ready to go, but she's probably gonna be getting dirty Sunday because I think we're gonna be riding through lots of rain. Also, I'm gonna check all the fluids as well as looking the bike over entirely front to back, all the sides, and making sure all the nuts and bolts and everything are snug and tight. I don't wanna get into any issues with something coming loose. So Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I'll be pretty busy with my sponsors, but then Thursday, we're gonna have something really, really special for you. Might be two things. I'm not gonna tell you that right now, but definitely stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, so this way you guys get notified as soon as a video comes out. Yeah, this trip is just gonna be epic. There's gonna be so much content from this trip. There's probably gonna be 10, 15 videos from this trip, so I can't wait. It's really gonna be awesome. Meeting some new friends, seeing some old friends, and I can't wait to show off Silverback for the first time. We're also going to try to stop by Memphis Shades. That is an absolute awesome product right here. These hand guards are absolute killer. I was on a ride, I guess it was a couple weeks ago. It was about 30 degrees, no heated grips. Didn't even have my heated gloves on. I had my regular gloves on. And let me tell you, my hands were not cold. Absolutely amazing product, and I love how they look. Thanks for watching. Cycle Fanatix here in New Jersey. We will be in Daytona, Florida here in a couple days. Peace out. Love every single one of you guys. Love your comments. Appreciate every single one of you, and thank you for supporting Cycle Fanatix. See you all in Florida.